It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback, like this.
Soo Hip Plumbing is the best. Jose and Hugo provided expert service, replacing a 20-year-old water heater with a new 70-gal California code-approved high-quality Bradford White unit. They were quite personable and professional. They answered all our questions and were extremely helpful improving our home. We highly recommend them.
One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews, and how we'll earn yours too. Contact us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.